and to look the specific provision of the Constitution that needed in order that we can change, amend the Constitution. I mean, for me, I love the Constitution. Of course, as a lawyer, we are mandated to obey. It's our duty to ano, the law of the land. No? But what I mean is, if there is going to be an amendment to that, and there is going to be a legal process, and there is going to be a convention among these representatives, then they can talk about that. But kasi ngayon, pag sinabi natin ito parang ano pa natin hindi pa na, ano, I mean, wala pa dyan. I mean, it's not yet ripened, no? Parang imaginary na lang yung ano natin, no? But it would be better na magkaroon muna ng consensus ng Congress and the people that why not try the parliamentary form of government system. Kasi magkakaroon yan ng ano like for instance, in the autonomous region in Muslim Mindanao, nag-start na yung yung war natin yan 1970. Nagkaroon na tayo ng chaos in Mindanao, and then nagkaroon ng conflict and using the religion. Pero kung nakita natin yung system na ito dapat iba to, kailangan may mga line na about that. In fact, during the time of my grandfather, Sultan Kundi, nabuo nila yung Sultanate in Mindanao, and he was the representative of the Maranao na nagpupunta sa Malacanang. And he was the one with the vision to encourage the Muslim in Mindanao to study and to know the Western education. Kasi ang purpose niya doon is kailangan talaga natin yung government, a local government that will look into the needs and the basic needs of the people. Kailangan niya but he cannot implement, although he is a sultan, but he cannot implement that because wala siyang knowledge on how to govern. So he encourages his nephew. Sabi niya kay the late Makapanto Nabas, you go to school. And ultimately, to si Makapanto Nabas become the first Maranao Muslim lawyer in the Philippines. So yun ang ano dyan So in our family, we have more than 23 lawyers now in our family. No? Ano namin nun. So, yun na nga, yung ano niya doon, ang purpose niya doon talaga is to know. Kasi yung mga sultan namin, although may mga sultan, but nung dumating yung mga sa panahon ng mga Kastila, nandiyan yung mga sultan. Kasi yung Mindanao kasi, hindi naman talaga na-penetrate yan ng Spanish Pero naka-penetrate talaga dyan yung mga Amerikano, naka-ano dyan, yung mga Hapon. So ang ano niya talaga, yung sultanate, hindi nagpa-function. Kasi kulang nga sa knowledge on how to govern education. So yun, yung very frustrating yung nangyayari sa amin ngayon kasi meron din mga sultan na nandyan ngayon pero ganun pa rin And then we have the government. And this is what I mean is if we are going to adapt the parliamentary form of system, then I think the sultanate and the rebellion and then the government would work together. And ito, tingnan natin ito. Wala namang masama kung ano naman dito. I mean, kailangan, kung natiis natin yung mga conflict na gano'n, that becomes decade a problem in our country and still hindi pa rin ito nagwo-work out sa atin. I think we can, wala namang siguro nagpo-prevent sa atin to nourish the ideas of having a peaceful relationship among the people of this country.
So